Hello guys, welcome. If you're still stuck choosing between Jira and Notion for managing your team or project, you're not alone. These two tools are powerful but serve very different needs. In this video I'll walk you through the real difference between Jira and Notion, how each one works and which one is better fit for your team. So firstly, let us discuss what are these tools. So Jira, developed by Atlassian, is a project management and issue tracking platform, primarily built for software teams. It's known for agile support, Scrum boards, and tight integration with development tools like Bitbucket and GitHub. And Notion, on the other hand, is a flexible all-in-one workspace. It's used for notes, wikis, databases, and task tracking. It's more like a digital operating system for your team, with a focus on simplicity and customization. Now, here's where the tools really diverge. So Jira is built for structured project management. Think software development, QA tracking, and sprint planning. If your team runs on Agile, Jira was made for you. Notion shines in flexibility and collaboration. You can create anything from meeting notes to marketing wikis or even lightweight task board. It's perfect for teams that want to combine docs and tasks in one place, like content creators, designers, or startups. Now let us compare some core features. Firstly, Jira offers powerful features like epics, stories, sprints, and automations. Notion's task boards are simpler, Kanban style, with custom properties and filters. Then Jira includes Confluence for docs, but it's separate. Notion is built for docs inline editing, drag and drop blocks, and also pages inside pages. Now integrations, Jira integrates with CI and CD pipelines, Git, and issue trackers. Notion connects with tools like Slack, Zapier, and Figma, but fewer dev tools. Jira has fine-grained permission control. Notion is more straightforward but less advanced in permission layering. Now let us talk UI. Jira is a powerful tool but has a steeper learning curve, especially for non-developers. Its UI is dense and full of options. Notion has a clean, minimal UI. It's very intuitive and most people can start using it with zero training, but with that simplicity comes fewer built-in workflows compared to Jira. Now let us discuss the pricing and themes. So Jira's free plan supports up to 10 users and includes Scrum and Kanban boards. Notion's free plan is more generous for individuals, with unlimited pages for blocks. For teams, pricing starts at $8 per user. If you're a developer-heavy team, Jira gives better value. If you're more of a cross-functional team, for example design, marketing, operations, you name it, Notion will likely feel more natural. Okay guys, so which one should you choose? So go with Jira if you work in software development, need agile tools like sprints, backlogs, and epics, want a powerful developer integrations. Choose Notion if you need flexible docs and task boards in one place, prefer ease of use and beautiful UI, work in marketing, design, or general project planning. So guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments which tool you're leaning toward, either of these two, and why. And of course, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech breakdowns like this.